Why we love EC3 products from Microbalance Health Products. They're doctor designed and doctor, root cause practitioner, and health coach approved. One natural ingredient that is proven to control mold is citrus seed extract. Citrus fruits, such as lemons, grapefruits, and oranges, contain natural antifungal properties that can inhibit the growth of mold. We combine 4 different citrus seed extracts, which is exponentially more effective than one. More powerful and effective than products containing grapefruit seed extract alone. This non-toxic solution contains a proprietary blend of citrus seed extracts designed to control mold levels in your home where you suspect mold growth. Additionally, independent laboratory tests confirms the efficacy of EC3 Mold Solution. Our mold maintenance products have a more neutral pH. Trending less acidic is imperative for environmental health and mold. We love EC3 products because of their mechanism in disrupting the organism's ability to maintain DNA. It makes it the best to use because then you're not worrying also about dead mold from an allergen perspective. EC3 products have no VOCs, no skin reactivity, and they're not harmful if breathed in or ingested because everything you spray is both breathed and ingested, whether you think so or not. And over time, it becomes more effective, not less. And that's because the combination of ingredients prevents fungal resistance and superbugs. Having ingredients with multiple agencies like antiviral, antiparasitic, antifungal, antibacterial is the best because a water-damaged environment is a soup of invaders, not just one thing. Check out our mold spray with citrus seed extracts included in its formulation, like EC3 Mold Solution Spray, or any of our EC3 product line, which makes cleaning and preventing mold easier for all homeowners. This is why we love EC3 products. We hope you do too.